Back when I started affiliate marketing around 2011, ClickBank was all the rage. In fact, the get-rich-quick strategy back then was just start a blog and then pick ClickBank products to promote. And overnight, you'll somehow have all of your wildest dreams come true. And the funny thing was, it was actually pretty simple to make big bucks on ClickBank back then. But is ClickBank past its prime, or can you still do well in there today? Let's find out. I'll also share the strategy I recommend regarding ClickBank and its alternatives a little later on. Now, the thing you need to know about ClickBank is that it's largely a platform for buying and selling digital products. That's it. Back in the day, we didn't really have a lot of affiliate networks available to us, but ClickBank made it easy for sellers not only to be able to run an affiliate program for their products in the first place, but be able to attract affiliates without having to manually reach out and recruit them. Today, we have more options, which is why ClickBank isn't really talked about as much as it used to be. There's nothing wrong with ClickBank, it just doesn't have the overwhelming presence that it used to. So ClickBank certainly has the potential to be just as profitable for you as it's ever been. Nothing honestly has really changed, it's just not talked about as much. In some ways, it may be even more profitable than it was in the past, because you don't have every single marketer on the internet promoting the same small set of products. This means you aren't fighting for which person ends up getting awarded the commission. That being said, I personally don't use ClickBank myself anymore, and honestly I think there are a good few reasons that are worth considering as to why that's the case. The first, and this is just the sad reality of ClickBank, is that most products just aren't that great. ClickBank has always had the reputation of being full of junk, and while certainly not all products fall into this category, the vast majority of them do. ClickBank's sorting system, if you visit them as an affiliate, entices you to focus on promoting high-performing offers, but these are usually just the products that offer the highest commissions or have the highest amount of other affiliates actively promoting them. It says nothing about the actual quality of the product itself. And just as a tangent, way back in the early 2000s, 2010s, people didn't care about their reputations as much. They were, perfectly happy shoving you a junk product and walking to the bank with it. But really, if you want to build a business that will last you for life, and that'll be there to support you and your family, then it's never worth compromising the trust that you have with your audience. No matter how much money it gives you. It doesn't matter how much the product pays, in the long run, this trust that you build with your audience will pay you so much more. Personally, I sleep wonderfully at night knowing I can set a promotion anytime and make sales, because I've only ever promoted products that I 100% believe into my mailing list. I like to call this money on tap, and the comfort it brings, especially since I do this full time and I have no other income from a traditional job, this is really important to me. If you're going to promote a product on ClickBank, I highly recommend actually purchasing it yourself first. Checking out the sales page is not enough. Marketers deceive. They do shady stuff after the first sale's been made, and I've gotten more value out of 99-cent Kindle books than I have out of many $200 programs I've bought on ClickBank. Don't make your audience be the ones to test the offer for you. Purchase it yourself, go through it, and then make your own judgment. Sometimes it takes multiple products to find one that you really believe in, and that's okay. If this sounds like a waste of money, understand that the better you know a product, by actually going through it, the better you'll be able to market it as well. This will ultimately lead to more affiliate sales and more money earned, effectively paying you back for your investment pretty quickly. Of course, there isn't even a better way to choose products to promote as an affiliate. Remember earlier on, I said that ClickBank was popular in the past because it wasn't as easy to start an affiliate program for your products. Today, that is no longer the case. I found my best success as an affiliate marketer by finding products I genuinely loved first, and then seeking out the affiliate program for those products afterwards. It doesn't matter if it's with ClickBank, ShareSale, or CJ, formerly Commission Junction, or any other affiliate network. Ultimately, the product, not the network, should come first. Most companies these days have some sort of affiliate program for their products, and even if they don't, you have a few options. For example, you can see if there's another retailer selling their products. Amazon has a terrible affiliate program, honestly, by today's standards, and it's getting worse. But the huge benefit with them is that you can sell just about any physical products you can imagine, or rather they sell it, you can find it on there to promote. Or if you already have a sizable audience, you can even get in touch with the company themselves and ask them to start one. This is especially effective for smaller companies or those with more unique products. Ali Abdul, a tech and productivity YouTuber with millions of subscribers, has a few products he loves talking about, like the keyboard he uses and his iPad screen protector, for example. Those products didn't have an affiliate program for them, so we directly reached out and asked them to start one. After a bit of negotiating, he now earns a sizable income from the sales of those products alone, and the company certainly feels like the time they took to create the affiliate program was worth it. So, ClickBank or not, my recommendation is to start with the product first, and then work backwards to the affiliate program. ClickBank is as profitable as ever. You've just got to make sure that the product is worth it for the customer. If you want to learn my exact strategy for building your audience and making affiliate sales almost passively, Sign up to my free workshop at jamesmcallisteronline.com/workshop. Otherwise, check out this video here for more affiliate marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.